Hello and welcome to the Automatica 2023 in Munich. Here in Munich on the trade show, we are not only showcasing LMI products, we are here with our sister companies out of the TKH Machine Vision Group.
What we show in our booth is low-priced components, machine vision camera technologies. Where we stand for is we have a high modularity of our camera technologies, so we can configure the cameras in many different ways, different sensors and different interfaces. The brand new is the technology with a 5 gig E interface, 5 times single gig E speed. So what you can do is you can faster record or faster stream images with higher resolution, so to say. That's something impressive we show as well with barcodes. Additionally, we show a new interface technology for the robotics market, where we have FPD3 link or GSML2 as an interface, and that allows you to connect up to 8 cameras easily to a single embedded hardware.
We are showing here our new line scan system. We are delivering not only the cameras and the light sources, we are living a whole environment for an easy setup of line scan cameras. So at this demo we are showing an sample application for battery foil inspection. So we have two kinds of light sources. We have a bright field and we have a dark field illumination. And these illuminations are switched synchronous to the line. So we have the odd lines for the dark field and the even lines for the bright field, and we get two kinds of images at the same station. Our advantage from ChromaSense is that we are a system supplier for line scan systems and not only the supplier for the cameras. And applications are quite various. We have applications in the field of wafer inspection. We have applications for printing inspection. We have applications for battery foil inspection. So it's quite various what we can solve in the applications with the line scan cameras.
We're showing our brand new 3D camera Ruby, which is this camera here, which is a very small, compact, active stereo vision camera manufactured by us and which we just launched at the beginning of this year. It's based around active stereo vision. We're using these two outer image sensors for depth perception through triangulation. So these are monochrome sensors. Then we have an infrared pattern projector here in the middle, which assists 3D sensing for untextured surfaces where the camera doesn't have any details to pick up. And then in addition we have yet a third image sensor, which is this color sensor over here, which does not see this projected pattern, and we then take the color information from this sensor and we align it to the depth measurements that we got from the other two. And this way we get color and depth information for every single pixel. Things like autonomous guided vehicle, navigation, picking and placing. Most existing 3D cameras on the market are based on time of flight, and here with stereo vision we have a fundamentally different measurement principle. And stereo vision has the advantage that we're much more robust towards the lighting situation, so we can cope with bright ambient light much better. We have a longer measurement range that we can cover. We can use multiple sensors within close proximity to each other without interference. And yes, these are all things that are very difficult or impossible to do with the more conventional time of flight or structured light camera systems.
What we're showcasing here is mainly our newest products we have released latest to the market. So first of all, you see our FXO series. The FXO series is a camera series which deducts a lot of sensors and capabilities and technology. So we have here the possibility to integrate sphere sensors, normal visible sensors and UV sensors. What we're showcasing here directly is a UV based camera. So what we are trying to solve here is looking into glass materials or similar to glass materials, and also combination with high speed. So it's a 2-lane CXP12 interface helping us to read out the sensor in full speed. It is about 170 frames per second with 8 megapixel, and this is quite a lot of data we're generating there. So our camera concept is not just a pure camera. We also have integrated an I/O control system. That means you can drive up to 3 ampere different light sources directly in 4 different channels with our cameras. This is quite useful in many cases. You don't want to have a separated strobe controller or light control. Also, you can trigger directly from the hardware point of view in our camera and you can add also lens control like Canon EF mounts or Micro Four Third, which is available on all our camera bases. We have a passive cooling concept. That's also the reason why our camera is looking very robust and compact, because we try to have our camera working in every environment you can imagine. Easy to use, easy to integrate, and our main purpose is if you have something you need to change, like we need to freeze the firmware or we need to change the front plate or back plate or the design of the camera, our main purpose is to solve the issue of the customer. That means we are based in OEM-based business, and if the camera or the customer has a need, special need for the cameras, we can try to solve that, and this is what we're mainly doing in our business.